Hey guys, and very good morning, and welcome back to Mumbai Boy. Yes, with another vlog. This time I'm going to talk about this beautiful ride that I missed, and of course, every rider would like to do this ride. It's the Konkan Chase. Yes, you have read it in the description. It's the Konkan Chase 2020 that started off in the month of January this year. Unfortunately, I was notified a little late, so I could not register for the ride. But yes, nevertheless, we'll definitely go ahead and try and achieve this ride next time RE does organize it. Well, I'm going to take you through how this day unfolded, what we did special for the fellow riders from the Rumble group who went for this ride, how we did a flag off for them. So stay tuned and let's see how this small little story of the Konkan Chase 2020 unfolds. So this is how it all started. It was basically those riders who were not part of the Konkan Chase deciding to go ahead and flag the two important people of our group who were doing this ride. That was Vikas ji and Rajesh ji. And yes, being part of the biggest group pan India for the 650 twins, we decided why not make it different. So we all woke up early that morning. We were approximately up by 5:30ish. And we said, let's go ahead and meet these guys at Taj Mahal, the gateway of India, because they were actually staying at the Taj Hotel. So RE had done a wonderful thing of actually accommodating them at the Taj Hotel. That was their first destination that they were actually staying at. And yes, we were all there. We were all lined up and making sure we were all excited and going to cheer these guys up who were doing the Konkan Chase ride. By the time we reached the Taj Hotel, it was, yes, one person who actually beautifully welcomed us was the sun. There was a beautiful sunrise that we actually captured, and yes, this is the lineup of all the bikes that the riders had come in. So now what I'm going to take you is, I'm going to take you to the back of the Taj Hotel, where these guys had a small kind of a brief from the main head of Royal Enfield.
After like exact 5.9 kilometers, we'll be going to this place, Baucha Dhaka. From there, we'll take a ferry to Revas, which is like almost Alibag. And from Alibag, we'll head to Murud and then to Shivadhan. So, with us, we have Mr. Pankaj Sharma. I would like to call him and he would like to share. Mr. Pankaj, you're welcome. Please come. Thank you.
We enjoy riding, that's why we are there on the bikes.
You are mostly from Mumbai or?
I am from Thane, he is from Pune, he is from Jaipur.
I am from Pune. He came down from Pune. I am from Indore. He is from Ludhiana.
So yes, the guys were amazed to meet Mr. Pankaj Sharma. Basically, Pankaj Sharma is the national sales head for Royal Enfield. And yes, he shared a small bites about himself with the group as well. Got to know the riders as there were some from Ludhiana, Lucknow, Pune. Mostly there were guys from Mumbai as well. And he was amazed to see that these guys are actually passionate riders and who have followed this legacy for a long time. Stay tuned for some more fun. So guys, yes, we are here at the Taj Mahal. As you can see, it's right behind me. The Gateway of India is well close by. We are actually waiting for the riders to come in and going to flag them off from right here for the Konkan Chase 2020. I'm going to take you through exactly what we are doing for them, and stay tuned. So we had our own lineup of 9 riders who were eagerly waiting for this flag off, and yes, we had the guys roll up and come into the flag off done by Mr. Sharma. Oops, that was a crash, but yes, safe journey guys. That's Mr. Pankaj Sharma actually flagging it off for the Konkan Chase 2020. Yay! We are all excited, and yes, we had our small yellow flag to actually go ahead and flag off our Rumble brothers. That is Rajesh ji and Vikas ji. So yes, we made sure they are also safe and happy journey guys. So yes, that was basically how their journey started. Yes, the first travel for them was from Baucha Dhaka. So that's Baucha Dhaka for you guys. Yes, this is basically where they had to, as they were briefed, they had to take the ferry from here to Revas, and then where they would continue to Murud and then Alibag as well, going towards the coastal line. So I hope you enjoy this small little farewell. We were actually wishing Vikas Bhai and Rajesh ji all the best. That's the team actually saying goodbye to all of them. and stay tuned for the main part of the video now. So this is a beautiful sketch, charcoal sketch actually done by Rajesh ji, giving you an idea of all the places that visited. You can see the boats, the mountains, the waters, the fish, the alcohol bottle, and of course his bike. Now the distance covered by this trip was 1,100 kilometers. That was one way, so both ways it would be 2,200. The terrain they touched was all the western coast. Of course, as I said earlier as well, it took 9 days. So the trip started from the 18th of Jan 2020 to the 26th of Jan 2020. Yes, it was 85% of the ride that was across the coastline, where they hit the bigger 3 states that they crossed was Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. You would see all those in the pictures as well. The starting point, as all of you know, is Taj Mahal Hotel, of course Gateway of India, and the last was Mangalore, Karnataka. So that was basically the Konkan chase route in short. Now I'll take you through the various destinations that they were they tried covering in this leg. So that was where they were basically starting off from Mumbai, as I initially told you as well. That was from Mumbai to Revas, then they went to Kashid, Murud, Mandwa, Alibag, Shivardhan, Ganpati Phule, Ratnagiri, Vijaydurg, Devgad, then they went to Mithur Murbari, Kunkeshwar, of course Goa, Gonda, Karwar is where they also went. They loved the fish over there. That's what I got to know. They could try a lot of seafood dishes in Karwar. So that was in Karwar. Then of course they went down to Mandagiri, Gokarna. Gokarna is basically a beautiful place. You have, of course, you can see the Yana caves. That's as we speak right now as well. Is a beautiful place. There's a lot of places that you could go and visit. The beaches were amazing. They've been to beautiful beaches on this tour of theirs, and of course made it one of the best memories they could definitely have. I'm also going to do basically one of their rides with the RE just to see how RE organizes it as well. This is Murdeshwar, of course. You can see every place that they were in had beautiful beaches and all. And then from Murdeshwar they went to Udupi, then they went to Malpe and Mangalore. I'm not sure where the next destination is going to be. Of course, Rajesh ji's basic tagline was "Journey begins where imaginations end." Beautifully said, because yes, that is exactly how this tour ended as well. I guess that has brought some smiles to your face, of course, thinking what should be your next ride. Well, I have 2 rides in my bucket list. Unfortunately, this year my Leh Ladakh, which was supposed to happen in July, has been postponed because I've exhausted my leave due to this pandemic, of course, and I'm going to plan it next year. So there are 2 things in my bucket list. That's the Konkan chase and the ride to Ladakh. What's your plans? Let me know in the comment box. Even if you have identified a few places which I've not tagged in the video, please leave that in the comment and I'll acknowledge, yes, because it's not a ride that I personally did, but it was shared by a fellow rider. So thank you so much guys for actually staying tuned to my channel. If you've not still subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay notified for all my videos that I'm going to come ahead. Well, this is Mumbaikar Boy saying thank you so much for watching the channel and spreading the love. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.